A'udzubillahiminasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wabad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Normaida Imamisel, grade 11, STEM J. Student of Gani El Abdi College Incorporated. So, in this video lesson, I will talk about the theorem number 4. So, which is the sum and difference theorem. So, this is the example. So, let's start. So, the example here is the limit of 2x plus 7 as x approaches to 2. So, ang una natin gagawin dito sa binigay na example is paghihiwalay natin yung 2 at saka si 7 by using addition operation. So, it will become this. So, the limit of 2x as x approaches to 2 plus the limit of 7 as x approaches to 2. So, kung mapapansin natin sa kaninang theorem, which is the theorem number 3, yung the constant multiple theorem, kapag yung variable, yung constant ay may kasamang x, is, ang gagawin natin is, ilalagay natin si 2 sa unahan ng limit. So, magiging ganito na siya. Ilagay natin si 2 sa unahan ng limit. So, ito, by using theorem number 1, so, since constant siya, so, the answer is, that is plus 7. So, kasi, constant kasi siya. So, the limit of x as x approaches to 2 plus 7. So, ito. So, next natin. So, that is 2. So, ano ang answer dito? So, paano natin ito siya kinukuha? By using theorem number 2. So, since may variable dito, that is 2. So, yan ang answer dito. So, 2. Tapos, ito naman is, pwede natin siya i-evaluate. So, since constant siya, so the answer here is 7. So, 2 times 2, that is 4, plus 7, that is 11. So, ito na po yung final answer. So, I hope you learn something about my topic. So, thank you very much.